Can can you pull your shirt down before you dance? Not up.
I can't see you dancing.
Pull your shirt down. You're one goofy little girl.
Hey, dance for me.
Get low. Can you get low? There you go. Is that your new bag? What's in there? Should Mommy open it for you?